Hello, my friends. I want to share something today that can shift everything for you, especially if you've been struggling to see success manifest in your life. There's one thing, just one, that could be standing between you and the success you desire. And it's something many of us do without even realizing it. We push success away by focusing on the wrong thing. Let's talk about it. It's a pattern that's deeply ingrained in many of us. The thing I'm talking about is doubt. Doubt is the silent force that sabotages everything you want to create. When you're trying to manifest your dreams, you can't afford to doubt. Yet so often, we let fear, uncertainty, and skepticism take the wheel. We question whether it's even possible or if we're deserving of what we want. We try to make it happen, and instead of trusting the process, we get in our own way by constantly questioning whether it's working. Now, here's the truth: doubt is the very thing that blocks the flow of abundance and success in your life. It's a form of resistance. It's like holding onto a rope while the tide is trying to pull you in the direction of your dreams. The more you resist, the more difficult it becomes to move forward. Success is not something you have to chase or fight for, it's something that comes naturally when you allow it into your life. But doubt? It keeps you stuck in a place of uncertainty, preventing you from taking the steps you need to move forward. You might be asking yourself, but how can I stop doubting? That's a great question, and here's where the answer lies: you need to shift your focus from what you don't have to what you already are. The key to manifesting your desires is to recognize that success is not something that happens outside of you. It's something that exists within you. And the moment you believe it's already yours, that's when everything begins to change. Stop waiting for external circumstances to tell you that you're ready. Stop waiting for a sign from the universe. The sign is already within you. It's the quiet knowing that you deserve success, that you're capable of achieving your goals, and that everything you need is already here. All you have to do is stop doubting yourself and start believing in the power of your own mind. The mind is a powerful tool, and when you focus on what you want with clarity and certainty, the world around you will begin to shift. Think about it this way: every time you doubt, you're telling the universe that you don't believe in your own power. You're sending out a signal that says, "I'm not worthy of success." But when you trust, when you believe, you send out a completely different energy. You're saying, "I am worthy. I am ready. I am open to receiving all that life has to offer." And that's the energy that attracts abundance, success, and all of the good things that you desire. It all begins with your belief. If you believe that success is already yours, you will find ways to make it happen. You will feel inspired to take action, to show up in the world with confidence, and to create opportunities. The key is not to wait for the right moment but to recognize that the moment is always now. It's all about stepping into your power and choosing to believe in yourself. The more you trust yourself, the more life will reflect that trust back to you. But here's the catch: it's easy to get distracted. The world is full of noise, and it's easy to lose sight of your vision when you're constantly questioning your worth or your ability. Doubt creeps in when you look at what others are doing and think, "Why can't I do that?" It creeps in when you focus on what you don't have, rather than appreciating what you do. When you start doubting yourself, you're essentially telling your subconscious mind that you don't believe in your own abilities. Your subconscious mind is always listening, always responding to what you think and feel. And when you send it messages of doubt, it will return results that match those doubts. You'll find reasons why things aren't working. You'll struggle to get ahead because your subconscious mind is creating the reality that aligns with your inner doubts. The first step to breaking free from this cycle is to be aware of your thoughts. Start paying attention to the thoughts that come up when you think about success. Are they positive or negative? Are they empowering or limiting? The moment you recognize that you're doubting yourself, pause and remind yourself that you are capable of anything you set your mind to. Replace doubt with belief. Replace uncertainty with confidence. Start telling yourself that success is already yours. Even if you can't see it yet, believe that it's coming. Believe that everything you need is already lined up for you. And with that belief, take inspired action. Trust that when you act in alignment with your vision, everything you need will unfold. The second thing you must do is release the need for control. Doubt often comes from a place of wanting to control the outcome. We think that if we try hard enough, we can make things happen the way we want them to. But success doesn't work that way. Success is about allowing, not controlling. It's about trusting the process, trusting that the universe knows what you need, and trusting that your desires are already on their way to you. When you try to control every aspect of your journey, you're resisting the flow of life. You're telling the universe, I don't trust you. But when you let go of control and allow things to unfold naturally, you open yourself up to the magic of possibility. You release the pressure of trying to make things happen and instead focus on aligning yourself with what you want. It's not about forcing the outcome, it's about allowing the outcome to come to you in the best way possible. Sometimes, the path to success looks different than we expect. Sometimes, it takes us to places we never imagined. But when we let go of the need to control, we open ourselves to new opportunities and experiences that we may have missed if we had stayed rigid in our thinking. Another way to stop doubting is to practice gratitude. When you're grateful for what you already have, you shift your energy from lack to abundance. Gratitude opens your heart and mind to the abundance that already surrounds you. It's a powerful tool that can transform your mindset from one of scarcity to one of plenty. And when you focus on gratitude, you attract more of the good things in life. The more you appreciate, the more you have to appreciate. Gratitude also shifts your energy. It helps you get out of your head and into your heart. It connects you to the present moment, which is where all of your power lies. When you stop worrying about the future or regretting the past, you're able to fully experience the richness of now. And when you do that, you align yourself with the abundance of the universe. A key part of this process is developing awareness of your thoughts. How often do you find yourself thinking about the things you don't want? Or worrying about things that haven't even happened yet? It's all too easy to fall into this trap, but it's in these moments that you need to take control. Redirect your focus to the things that align with your vision. The more you do this, the more natural it will become. It's all about forming new habits, habits of thought that support your highest self. Your thoughts become your reality when they are supported by feelings. This is why it's important to not only think about what you want but to also feel it. The feeling you have when you think of success is just as important as the thought itself. When you feel the excitement of your desires, when you visualize yourself already living the life you want, you begin to create a magnetic force around your desires. This energy is what attracts the circumstances, people, and opportunities that will bring your dreams into reality. The most important thing you can do is trust yourself. You are the creator of your reality. You have the power to shape your life in any way you choose. The only thing standing in your way is your own doubts and fears. Let go of them. Believe in yourself. Trust the process. And watch as success begins to flow into your life effortlessly. You are capable of so much more than you realize. The power to create the life you want is already within you. All it takes is a shift in your mindset, a willingness to trust, and a commitment to letting go of the doubts that are holding you back. When you do that, you will find that success is no longer something you have to chase, it's something that comes to you naturally. So, stop doubting yourself. Stop questioning whether you're worthy of success. Trust that it is already yours. Believe in your power, and take inspired action. The universe is waiting for you to step into your greatness. It's time to stop pushing success away and start welcoming it into your life. Your dreams are ready to manifest. All you have to do is believe. If you found this information valuable, please take a moment to like this video and show your support. Liking the video helps the message reach more people who are ready to make a change in their lives, just like you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I encourage you to do so now. By subscribing, You'll be the first to get more insights on how to manifest your dreams and create the life you truly deserve.